Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to buy an Envato shared subscription. This is a great way to give multiple team members access to Envato's massive library of digital assets while splitting the cost across your team. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to elements.envato.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. After you're signed in, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see a button that says Get Unlimited Downloads. Click on that to begin the subscription process. On the next page, you'll see different subscription options available. What you want to do here is click on Teams and Enterprise. This is the section specifically designed for shared subscriptions, allowing multiple users to access the platform simultaneously. Now you'll be presented with several plan options. Take a moment to review the choices available, such as Team Core, Team Plus, or Team Ultimate. Each of these plans offers different features and benefits, so select the one that best fits your team's needs and budget. Once you've decided on your preferred plan, you'll need to specify how many members will be using the subscription. Right beside the subscription option you selected, you'll notice a number. Click on that number and a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to choose whether you want 2, 3, 4, or 5 members on your subscription. Select the number that matches your team size. After selecting your preferred member count, click the Select button to confirm your choice. This locks in both your plan type and the number of users. Now, on the right side of the screen, you'll see the Order Summary panel. This is where you'll finalize the billing details for your subscription. First, decide whether you want to pay annually or monthly. The annual option typically offers some savings, while monthly gives you more flexibility. Next, navigate to the Select License section. Here, you'll see two options presented as clickable circles. Click the circle beside My Company if you're purchasing this for a business, or click Me as an individual if you're buying it for personal use. Now it's time to fill in your billing details. You'll need to enter your company name if applicable, followed by your country, address line 1, city, state, province, or region, and your zip or postcode. Make sure all this information is accurate, as it will be used for invoicing and billing purposes. After that, scroll down to enter your payment information, type in your credit card number, then select the expiry month and expiry year from the drop-down menus. Don't forget to enter the security code, which is typically found on the back of your card. Before you can complete your purchase, you'll need to agree to Envato's terms. Find the checkbox beside by subscribing to Envato Elements. I confirm that, and check that box. This confirms you've read and agreed to the terms of service. Finally, click the Complete Order button. Your payment will be processed, and you'll gain immediate access to your shared Envato Elements subscription along with your team members. And that's it. You've successfully set up a shared subscription that your entire team can now use to access Envato's extensive library of creative resources. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.